my dear students. Welcome back to this miniature school. I believe you are all happy and safe at home. Once again, welcome you all back to this English class. So today, we are going to continue with the exercise part. I said you already. So basic grammar type of things we are going to deal in next class. So Today, we are going to see that why to use I, he, she and it. Why to use I, he, she and it. This is what we are going to study and exercise it. Fine. So before getting into our class, let's do a warm-up exercise. Today's warm-up exercise is a little bit different. So please take your name. Let me explain that with my name. Yeah, my name is a bit long name. So let me take a single last name from my name. Okay, fine. But don't take like that. Take your full name. Fine. Now for example, I'm showing this. Yes, here I wrote Persia. So now from this, I'm going to see that how many vowels I do have in my name. Okay, fine. So P, it's not a vowel, it's a consonant. So no. E, it's a vowel. So we are getting a vowel here. Or it's consonant. Yes, it's consonant. H, it's consonant. I and A. Again, vowel. So from A, E, I, O, U, other than O and U, I have E, I, A. 3 vowels in my last name. See, you have to take your full name without initial. Without initial, you have to take your full name and try it out. How many vowels do you have? The same letter repeating doesn't matter. You no need to count that. Only letters I need like this. I have to take like Jocelyn J. Persia, but the thing is, fine, this is enough. Okay, clear? So for you, please take your full name without initials. Clear? So this is your warm-up exercise today. That is vowel counting from your name. Vowel counting from your name. So let's move to our today's portion. In your students' book, the particular portion that I'm going to take is from page number 81. Page number 81, you have that. Learn language. So today we are going to see like I, he, she, it. What to use that. Fine. So let me have some examples here. But I think before that I would like to explain what to use I, what to use he, what to use she and what to use it. So here 2 words are like gender words. These both gender in the sense there are more than 2 genders. We have like a male, female and transgender, LGBT. Fine, that's different. Let's take in common male and female. We have 2 genders, male and female. Transgender is different. Here we need only 2 genders, male and female. That is meant by gender. Fine. Now for male, he. And for female, she. Male, it's he, and for female, it's she. Clear? Then, I. It's addressing ourselves. No gender. It's common for male as well as female. It doesn't denote a person. It always denotes a thing or bird or animal. Thing, bird or animal. He is for denoting male. That is male. That means a boy or man. She is female. That is girl or woman. It denotes. I, no gender based. Any gender. Apart from gender, anyone can use. That is should denote me. Me. That's very important. Clear? So, let's see that in sentence. So, here, first sentence goes like, my name is Som. I live in a forest. So, I think I can take Som from here and I can put my name there. So it will be understanding for you. You can make your own name here. Please write down your name here. Okay. My name is Persia. I live in a forest. It doesn't mean that I am living in a forest, just for sentence. Clear? So here, my name is Persia. You can make your name here. Your name, your own name. Whatever, you're male or female, you can make your own name here. Once again, you can make your own name here. So now, my name is Persia. Who's Persia? It's me. I live in forest. So, it's me. Myself. I'm talking about myself. So, I use the word I. So, I means, it denotes Persia. For the second sentence, see, it's coming under the next sentence. So, completing the sentence, see, my name is Persia. Persia live in a forest. So, I in the sense, I is talking about Persia. Persia in the sense, here it is I. That means me. Clear? So, this is how we have to understand that. Here, Sam is an old man. He eats fruits. Here we have to understand he. Who is he here? Sam is an old man. He eats fruit. My name is Som. Is that my name is Som? No. So I'm talking about someone. That is a man. That name denotes a man. He's an old man. You can see that from your book. Your chapter. What should Som grow? So see. I'm talking about Som. And it's not me. He is someone to me. So, he denotes Som. See, Som is an old man. Som eats fruits. Understand? I'm talking about Som. He is a male and he. Here, Som meets a fairy. She tells him to grow plants. Som meets a fairy. She tells him to grow plants. So here, she. We have to find she. Who is that she? Let's read it again. Som is a male. He is a man. So, neg letter. Here, fairy. Fairy, it's a noun, naming word. Fairy. So, yes. So, meet a fairy. Fairy tells him to grow plants. Yes, here. So, she in a sense, fairy. Here. This is a bear. It does not eat rice. It is a bear. It does not eat rice. One more thing. This I, he, she, it always denotes naming words. You know what is meant by naming word. Fine? So, he, I, he, she, it denotes naming word. And this is a bear. What's the naming word here? We have to find it, right? So, this is a bear. What is the naming word here? Bear. Bear in the sense? Karadi. So fine, this is a bear. It does not eat rice. So it means, it denotes bear. It denotes bear. Fine. So see here. This is a bear. Bear does not eat rice. So while you are having something in the first sentence, think about a paragraph writing. So, if I am talking about myself, my name is Persia. So, throughout the paragraph, I should not need to mention my name again and again. For example, you know me, right? You know my name. So, each class, I don't want to say that my name is Persia, my name is Persia. It's not needed. Likewise, in the paragraph, if you are mentioning in one sentence, that is pretty enough. So while you are explaining about your name further, you have to mention like I like to. The word we are using is I. Instead of Persia, you can make your own name there. Instead of my name, instead of myself, I'm using the word I. I'm using the word I. Here I is a letter, but we can consider that as a word. Okay, fine. I am using I again and again. Instead of using my name, I'm using I. My name is a naming word. For he. in a paragraph. I'm talking about a man. About my father. So I'm talking about my father. Now I used to say like his name is. First starts with his name. My father's name is Kumar. Yeah, my father's name is Kumar. So, while continuing the sentences, like continuing the paragraph, each sentence I should not, and I will not make that Kumaris. I will not make my father's name everywhere. I'll make like he used to, he likes to. I continue with he. Yes, the same goes for she. If I'm talking about my mother's name is Jayaprabha, and throughout the paragraph, I will not say like Jayaprabha likes to, Jayaprabha do that, Jayaprabha do this. I say what? She likes to. See, she used to do. She is something. Whatever I'm explaining, I used to say father, she. My father's name is a naming one, my mother's name is a naming one. Then it. If I'm talking about my favorite thing, for example, if I'm talking about my teddy bear, so I first used to say that my favorite thing is teddy bear. Next, I will not like teddy bear. Teddy bear is teddy bear that. I'll use like it is, it was. Have to continue it like that because teddy bear is a what? Naming word. So if you are talking about your pet, sometimes you don't know the gender of your pet. Yeah, there comes male and female, right? But common in the sense, if I'm talking about lion is the king of the forest. And sometimes I don't know about whether it's a male lion or female lion. I'm confused about that. I would like to say that it. So for birds, animals and thing, we use it, and for female we uses, that means other person, she, and for male, for other person, he, and for myself I uses I. So I believe you understood that. Next, let's move to the next part. Next we can do exercise part. Please take page number 82. Page number 82. So A, first one is already done for you. Anna is my friend. She sings very well. So we are going to find she. So Anna is a girl name or male name? It's a girl name or boy name? Girl name. So she. So someone is talking about friend. That means denoting others. We have to mention like this. So draw like this. It's already done for you. Next one. My father is a policeman. He is very brave. My father is a policeman. He is. So we are going to find he. So we are talking about father. Father. So here we have to draw like this. Next, Max is a dog. So here we are talking about dog. Max is a dog. So talking about dog. So it is very lazy. So you have to mention like this. We are talking about the dog. Right? So you can do like this or like this. Both are right because both denotes the same thing, that is dog. Next, my name is Anand. I like to draw and paint. So my in the sense talking about myself. So here I in the sense who am I here? Yes, here Anand is I. So next, the peacock is a beautiful bird. It cannot fly. So we are going to find it. So here anything, bird or animal. So yes, peacock. You have to draw like this to that. Fine. This is the answer. So sixth one is your homework. So we have done 5 for you. 1 is already done for you. Other 4 we did. And 6th is your homework. A section. 6th is your homework. Next, let's do the B section. Rohit is my brother. He or she is very tall. So here, Rohit is a male name or female name? Male name. So he or she? he. Take down here. Next, Papa brought me a doll. I or it is very beautiful. So here the speaker is talking about a doll. So this denotes doll in the sense, it's the name of a thing. Doll in the sense name of a thing. So I or it. It. Thing in the sense we have to mention it. Next. My name is Hira. Now talking about myself. My name is Hira. I or he am a girl. Talking about myself. Ourself is I. We have to tick here. I am a girl. Next. This is my sister Sarah. He or she is very naughty. Sister in the sense girl, right? Brother in the sense boy, right? So sister Sarah. So she's a girl. So I have to mention he or she. She. So these are the answers here. Here Anna to she, father to he, Max to it. Max or dog to it. Anand to I, Peacock to it. Then 50, 60 is your homework. Next section 4 I have done for you. 50 is your homework. From A section 6 and B section 5 homeworks. Okay. So Rohit is my brother. He is very tall. Papa brought me a doll. It is very beautiful. My name is Hira. I am a girl. My name is. This is my sister Sarah. She is very naughty. So we got the answers. This is all about the lesson. Next we are having sound practice that you can do from your home. The symbol, that is the sound practice, is nothing only about the letter E. E. You can see feet. So E sound. Not the letters, about the sound E. Sound. Not the letter. Sound E, that is short vowel sound and long vowel sound. For example, hit, it, heat, e. Then again, fit, fee, e. So the pronunciation practice you can do from the sound section that is near to this next page. So you can do the sound practice at home. So you can do that as a homework. So don't forget here today's activity, that is warm-up exercise. That is finding vowels from your name. Finding vowels from your name. Do that and send that to me. So this is all about today's class. Don't fail to send me the activity. That is warm-up exercise. And I believe you understood about I, he, she and it. So this is all about today's class. I believe you understood. You can clear a doubt in Zoom or you can call me. Thank you, students. Take care. Bye-bye.